We very proudly say, स्वर्ग से सुंदर लगमा गाम, आधा अयोध्या, आधा वृंदावन धाम.
Wow.
Through this very
Okay.
channel, as you are the stand with Mithila, with Mr. Krishna, it's a really very highly appreciated channel. I am also connected with the channel a few days before, and you are doing very nice job. Always you are most welcome.
अंग्रेजी
in
अहाँ
this
सबके
very-
पढ़ाबै छथि, अहाँ सबके समझ में आबैया किछ किछ?
बिल्कुल आबैया
आबैया ना? किछ किछ सिखलिया ना?
And you can very clearly see my dress up. This is reflect our culture.
Yeah.
It is with the modernity and
Yeah.
the modern world, and this reflect the medieval time. This very ashram is with all round development of each and every.
देखियो अब अहाँ के हम ई दूटा दृश्य देखा रहल छी. एकटा में तो अहाँ ई चीज बुझियो जे एतऽ संस्कृत के अध्ययन और दोसर अंग्रेजी से
stand with अहाँ कहबै मिथिला, ठीक छै? So everybody will say stand with मिथिला, stand with मिथिला, stand with
and everyone should have to stand with Lagma. Stand with Lagma. Stand with Lagma. We can expect that Lagma will contribute to our culture many more things.
Surely, and that is even in the modern way. More than 100 students has become teacher by the help of Sanskrit language.
जय हिंद, जय मिथिला. हम छी कृष्णा और अहाँ देख रहल छी स्टैंड विथ मिथिला. जेना कि अहाँ के पाछा के परिदृश्य देखा से पता चलिए गेल है जे एखन हम छी लगमा में, और लगमा आबे के विशेष प्रायोजन ई छल जे 2025 में मार्च के महीना में पहिल मार्च से जे शुरू होबे वाला अछि एतऽ यज्ञ, ओहि के विषय में सेहो जानकारी ली और दोसर बात हिनका सबसे भेंट घाट कऽ सकी. बहुत रास पंडित जी जे छै से आमंत्रण में गेल छथि और अखन का भोरक समय छै और ठंडा के सेहो समय छै. तो आओ अब हम बातचीत करै छियै. सबसे पहिने तो सब गोटा के हिनका सबके हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दै छियनि जे ई एतऽ हमरा सबके बीच में छथि एखन, और गुरुजी सेहो छथिन, हुनको से हम गप करबनि. सबसे पहिने तो प्रणाम.
Most welcome, Mr.
Thank you.
Krishna. You are most welcome in the premises of Jagish Narayan Brahmacharya Ashram. My name is Manmohan. Full name Dr. Manmohan Manav. I am a teacher and a visiting teacher of this very institute. Just a few days before, on the occasion of Deepavali and Chhath, I came to my village Lagma. I am from this very village Lagma.
Wow.
And now I am giving 1 hour to this innocent child to train them for English communication.
You are also from Lagma.
Same village Lagma, and I am son of late Netaji Samajsevi Malik, Sri Ramchandra Malik. I am son of that very great soul, and he dedicated this very institute for his whole 90 years. As he is no more, he has left for heaven. As for according to her blessing and wishes, I am here. I am giving 1 hour to this intelligent and brilliant student to develop their English language, at the same time general study and career counseling.
So you could understand that कि हाँ देखियो अब अहाँ के हम ई दूटा दृश्य देखा रहल छी. एकटा में तो अहाँ ई चीज बुझियो जे एतऽ संस्कृत के अध्ययन और दोसर अंग्रेजी सेहो एतऽ हिनका सबके शिक्षा देल जाइ छनि, और यह एग्जैक्टली चीज अहाँ के हम देखाबऽ के लेल लगमा एलहुँ हैं और अहाँ सबके बताबऽ चाहै छी जे ई सुंदर जे दृश्य देख रहल छियै, एहि सुंदर दृश्य के साथ अहाँ ई चीज कखनो नहीं दिमाग में अनबै जे एहिठाम हमसब मॉडर्न एजुकेशन के दरकिनार कर रहल छी. We can believe that कि हाँ.
Absolutely correct, and you can very clearly see my dress up. This is reflect our culture.
Yeah.
It is with the modernity and
Yeah.
the modern world, and this reflect the medieval time. This very ashram is with all round development of each and every individual. Sanskrit is at the priority, but science and maths are also taught, and English is also given due respect in this very
So
institute.
how much time you will serve here?
Actually, on Chhath occasion, I have come here. I am here for 3, 4, 5 days. But even for 1 day, if I am present in my
Exactly, that is
home, 1 hour is for the
बिल्कुल,
institute.
बिल्कुल.
Like that.
और 1 घंटा भी 1 साल के बराबर कह सकै छी हिनका सब के बीच में. अच्छा अहाँ सब कहू, एक बेर अहीं सबसे पूछब जे गुरुजी के जे अंग्रेजी अहाँ सबके पढ़ाबै छथि, अहाँ सबके समझ में आबैया किछ किछ?
बिल्कुल आबैया
आबैया ना? किछ किछ सिखलिया ना?
हाँ.
बिल्कुल. और ई सब आबऽ वाला समय के भारत के ओ भविष्य छथि जे आबऽ वाला समय में भारत के प्रतिनिधित्व में जे विश्व गुरु के हमर सबके परिकल्पना अछि ओकर साकार करे में ई सब एगो फूल छै.
Absolutely correct. because the Guruji, who is the next generation of that very Adi Guruji Brahmacharya Ashram ji, the present Sarkar, he is also a very great soul, very great mind, and under his leadership and his vision, everybody is given ample opportunity to develop and to grow and to become a very great person.
बिल्कुल. So I do want to ask you a question that how people can connect, how people can sub here.
Only the thing is, our thinking should be regarding we must understand the service of mankind is the supreme service.
Exactly.
If that very thinking, that very concept is in our mind, and through this very channel, as you are the stand with Mithila, with Mr. Krishna, it's a really very highly appreciated channel. I am also connected with the channel a few days before, and you are doing very nice job. Always you are most welcome in this very village and institute, and would like to invite you in the village center also. There is a Sriji Baithak there also, and I'm planning to start Sriji Academy.
Wow.
There like that. So I invite you to come in the village, in the center
we will
of
be over there.
yes, center of the village nearby the Ram Janaki Mandir, and so many you can see, so many things you can observe there which belongs to our culture. There is Ram Janaki Mandir, here is a Radha Krishna Mandir, and here is the Sitaram Mandir. That is why we very proudly say Swarg se Sundar Lagma Gam Adha Ayodhya Adha Vrindavan Dham.
Wow. Okay, so next question I want to ask you that many people are asking that what would be the impact of by doing this activities
Activity means
like
academic,
Sanskritic
Sanskritic.
cultural
that surely our root, our strength, our future depends upon our culture.
exactly
Bharatiya Sanskriti, Indian culture, whatsoever tradition and culture which is very enriched and that is at the top of that very world. Swami Vivekanand ji, Maharaj ji, Ramakrishna Paramhans ji, at present Subhash Chandra Bose, so many people who reflected and who preached this very culture all over the world. If these children were trained for that very thing, surely they will be the representative of the world leader, world spiritual leader, and in that way our institute, our village, our area and our country, again it will be like a Vishwaguru.
okay we can expect that Lagma will contribute to our culture many more things.
Surely, and that is even in the modern way. More than 100 students has become teacher by the help of Sanskrit language. Now through the BPSC, more than 60-65 students has become now teacher in this very village, and they will be awarded by the government, and they are doing excellent everywhere. So this Sanstha has given so many IAS, IPS and so many state level administrator and so many lecturer and professor, so many things like that. So it is doing, and I hope in the coming future, surely the institute, the Sanstha, that will do excellent for the betterment of humanity, village and the mankind.
So I really appreciate you and I thank you. अहाँ एतेक चीज कहलिए सबटा चीज and my last question is that what you are watching in the sky in this flowers.
They are innocent, they are very energetic, as every atom of this very world is fundamentally divine, as Swami Vivekananda has said. They are also very divine, and you must see the book which is with me. This is the life, Yogi Katha Amrit, means the autobiography of the yogi. It's also have a very good experience, and he has assembled experience of different great people. So there is influence.
Okay, my last question to you that what do you want to say those people who are in your age?
Surely they should think about their family, their parents. Besides that, they must manage a few minutes, a few hours for the society, for the mankind, and for such institute where in a very short time we get a number of children for whom we can do a little bit.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You have given a lot of information, and I am really very happy that I met with you, and I expect that कि फिर से हमर सबके भेंट घाट हेतै.
Sure, निश्चित भेंट हेतै. और लगमा गामक जे मध्य छै, जे अहाँके श्रीजी बैठक छै और राम जानकी मंदिर के कने पाछा छै मेन चौक पर, ओहो ठाम अहाँ सादर आमंत्रित छी. और कई तरहक जे सामाजिक कार्य छै और सांस्कृतिक कार्य छै जे एखन यज्ञ होय वाला छै, अहू के मीटिंग 17 तारीखक छै. तऽ ओकरो एजेंडा सोशल साइट
बिल्कुल
पर छै,
बिल्कुल हाँ
तऽ ओहि सब लऽ कऽ सब चीज भऽ रहल छै। निश्चित रूपसँ अपना संस्कृतिके आओर कल्चरके बढ़बैमे एहि संस्थाके बहुत बड़का योगदान छै। और एहने नीक उम्मीदक संग हमरो सब बुते जे भऽ पबै छै एगो तिनकाके बराबर 2 दिन 4 दिन गाममे छी तऽ 2-4 घंटा बचाकऽ देबाक प्रयास रहैया। सो थैंक यू मिस्टर कृष्णा एंड आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर चैनल स्टैंड विथ मिथिला। आप हम कहबै स्टैंड विद, अहाँ कहबै मिथिला, ठीक छै? सो एवरीबॉडी विल से स्टैंड विद मिथिला, स्टैंड विद मिथिला, स्टैंड विद मिथिला,
and everyone should have to stand with Lagma, stand with Lagma, stand with Lagma।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
तो अब अहाँ सबके हम बता दी जे गुरुजी छथिन और ई बच्चा सबके अंग्रेजी के सेहो जे छै से शिक्षा दै छथिन और हमरा बहुत खुशी भेटल है, बहुत नीक लागल है जे हम अखन लगमा में एलहुँ हैं और गुरुजी से भेंट घाट भेल। हम अहाँके बता दी जे एहने कहानी छै पूरा लगमा गाम के। सैकड़ों छात्र एतऽ पढ़ि कऽ आगाँ पैघ पैघ पद पर जाकऽ एहि गाम के नाम रोशन केलथि है, एहि मिथिला के नाम रोशन केलथि है और एहि लगमा के नाम रोशन केलथि है। हम सब ई उम्मीद करी जे भविष्य में ई लगमा गाम हजारों विभूति के निकाल कऽ देथिन और देथिन। बस जरूरत छै अहाँ सबके संग के। तो हम बस अहाँ सब गोटा से यह चीज कह चाहब और एहि वीडियो में खास कऽ हमर एतबे छलै और अहाँ के औरो वीडियो हम अहाँ सबके बीच में राखब। ताहि के लेल धन्यवाद, फिर भेंट करै छी। जय हिंद।